Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Get an anvil and hammer to craft weapons, and carry at least 20 darts and a blowgun or dart pistol to test drops. While farming, prioritize underground jungle and dungeon enemy spawns because specific enemies drop the dart gun or its components. Once done, make sure to bring ranged accessories and your best mobility gear. This increases clear speed and drop odds, so you don't waste time running back to base between encounters. You focus on the middle phase by targeting the enemies and containers that yield the dart gun or crafting parts. Kill hornets, dart traps, and mimic-like spawns in the underground jungle, and open small/medium crates found in chests and underground water for rare components. Once done, make sure to use battle potions and water candles to double spawn rates and speed up drops. That improves efficiency when farming. If you collect necessary parts, craft at an anvil or workbench as required. You finish by assembling the weapon and verifying functionality. Craft the dart gun at an anvil once you have all parts, then test it using several dart types to confirm damage and ammo usage. Once done, make sure to adjust accessory loadout for range and firing speed to maximize effectiveness. If you still don't get drops, try switching biomass, raising spawn modifiers, or restarting the world session. This common troubleshooting step resets spawn tables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.